Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are exploring a critical aspect of facility management, legal and regulatory compliance, and how ISO 41001 aligns with international facility management laws. In the complex landscape of managing facilities, staying abreast of legal requirements is essential for ensuring the safety, sustainability, and overall success of our spaces. Let's delve into the key principles and processes that demonstrate the alignment between ISO 41001 and international facility management laws. Recognizing the importance of legal compliance. At the core of ISO 41001 is a commitment to legal and regulatory compliance. Facilities operate within a web of international, national, and local laws, and adherence to these legal requirements is fundamental to effective facility management. ISO 41001 recognizes this reality and provides a framework to help organizations align their facility management practices with applicable legal obligations. Understanding the international context. Facility management often involves operating in a global context, and ISO 41001 acknowledges the need for a comprehensive understanding of international facility management laws. The standard encourages organizations to be cognizant of international regulations that may impact their facilities, fostering a proactive approach to compliance on a global scale. Tailoring compliance to local laws. While ISO 41001 provides a universal framework, it also recognizes the importance of tailoring compliance to local laws and regulations. Facilities are situated within specific jurisdictions, each with its own set of rules. ISO 41001's flexibility enables organizations to adapt their facility management practices to meet the requirements of the regions in which they operate. Documentation and record keeping. Accurate documentation is a key aspect of demonstrating legal compliance, and ISO 41001 places a strong emphasis on documentation and record keeping. The standard guides organizations to maintain comprehensive records related to legal requirements, ensuring that evidence of compliance is readily available for audits, assessments, and regulatory reviews. Continuous monitoring and updating. ISO 41001 promotes a culture of continuous improvement in legal compliance. Facilities and the laws that govern them can evolve, and ISO 41001 encourages organizations to monitor changes in legal requirements regularly. By staying vigilant and updating facility management practices accordingly, organizations ensure that their facilities remain in compliance with the latest laws. Alignment with Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). ISO 41001 goes beyond mere legal compliance by aligning with broader global initiatives, including the Sustainable Development Goals. The standard recognizes that facility management plays a role in achieving sustainable development objectives. By embracing these goals, organizations not only comply with legal requirements but also contribute to global sustainability efforts. Achieving efficiency through aligned compliance. In essence, ISO 41001 positions legal and regulatory compliance as a foundation for achieving efficiency in facility management. By aligning with the international facility management laws, organizations can create facilities that are not only safe and compliant but also contribute positively to their communities and the environment. In conclusion, ISO 41001 serves as a guide for organizations seeking to navigate the complex landscape of legal and regulatory compliance in facility management. By incorporating these principles into our practices, we can create facilities that not only meet legal requirements but also align with global sustainability goals. Thank you for joining us today, and I encourage you to leverage ISO 41001 in optimizing your facility management strategies for legal compliance and beyond. And if you have found value in our videos, Please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.